Excuse you.
No. Why are burps treated as a moral failure? When you sneeze, people bless you. But when you burp, you have to say, excuse me. It's not fair.
You're not serious.
Everyone is always so concerned about the bum who sneezes. But nobody gives a crap about the poor sap who, God forbid, burps. No, he gets a death stare from the whole table, looking at him like he just ripped a slur. It's dinner, not a town hall. Why should I have to apologize like some disgraced politician?
Because it's gross.
Sneezes are gross.
Sneezes are involuntary.
What, and burps aren't? You should be grateful it was a burp. Burps are one step removed from puking. If not for the burp, I would throw up everywhere. You know, they should thank me.
I'm not going to thank you for burping.
Wait, no, think about it. That should be the new response to a burp. Someone burps, thank you. Thank you.
If you burp again, I'm calling an exorcist.